Alright, so in this tutorial I will guide you on how to check your cell C phone number. It is very easy, so follow this tutorial very carefully. So, how to check your cell C phone number in South Africa? There are two methods you can use. The first one is by using the USSD code. So, just prepare your phone and dial *147#. After dialing this number, then select customer info and view your cell C number. So after dialing this number, you'll be able to view your cell C number. Another method you can use to check your cell C number is by using the please call me method. The recipient's device will receive a notification with your cell C number displayed, along with the request to call you back. Just you may ask the person that has received the please call me method, which has received this method, to send you the number. So it is very easy. You can just use the USSD code or using the please call me method. Thank you.